Welcome back to The Exchange. Tax day is just 5 days away after the Trump administration moved the deadline from April due to the pandemic. Sharon Epperson is here now with what taxpayers need to know about the auditing process and how it works. Sharon?
Well, Kelly, there's been a lot of talk about audits and tax returns coming from the White House. And here's what average taxpayers need to know. The IRS says that audits can take several years to complete, but most audits take 3 to 6 months. That's according to the American Institute of CPAs, which is the largest organization of accounting professionals. And we surveyed some members of the AICPA's Financial Literacy Commission. They said that a more complex audit, that one that requires an in-person interview with an IRS official at your home or business, or an in-depth document review, could take up to a year. But the reality is very few taxpayers are audited. The IRS says only 0.45% of individual income tax returns were examined in the fiscal year 2019. But you still need to know what could trigger an audit. And tax pros say that audits may be more likely with higher levels of income, cash earnings or self-employment income, or if you have deductions that are unusually high in relation to a taxpayer's income. So you want to make sure you keep your receipts for any of those deductions that you're claiming. And Kelly, do you know the way that the IRS will contact you if you're going to be audited?
Oh, man, something scary.
It's not scary. It's a letter. It comes in the mail. They're not going to email you. They're not going to call you. They're not going to post something on your social media account. They're going to send you something in the mail. So if you get something any other way, that is a sign that it's a red flag to you that there may be fraud involved. I wanted to ask you one more question, Kelly.
Sure.
If you're thinking about what should be included in your tax return in terms of your income, do you think you should include gambling winnings, interest from your savings account, or income from a side gig?
Can I phone a friend? My mother-in-law is a tax expert, Sharon. If I don't answer this correctly, I might be out of the family.
I'll give you a quick answer. It's all of them, all of the above. And people don't realize, particularly with gambling winnings, that those are considered earned income and need to be included on your tax return. So make sure that you're careful when you're preparing a return if you're doing it at the last minute this weekend. And if you want to just test your knowledge on taxes, check out CNBC.com, Invest in You, get a tax quiz. Maybe you could take it.
I think I should take it to find out what I still need to learn. Sharon, thank you so much. It's super important stuff. And just again, to remind everybody, it is July 15 this year.